Welcome to Monthly Math Moment, the web series where we take a quick peek into the modern elementary math classroom. I'm your host, Amanda McIntire. One of the most widely used models to visualize mathematics in class is a number line, and for good reason. The number line dates back to the days of Descartes in the early 1600s, but became a popular tool in education with the new math movement of the 1950s and 60s. A number line is simply a line where the numbers are put in order evenly spaced along it. Most common place to see a number line outside of the mathematics classroom is a ruler. Number lines can stretch any part of the counting sequence and can show both positive and negative numbers, making them very versatile and have a lot of longevity as a learning tool. Some number lines show every single number. Other number lines, called open number lines, show jumps of numbers, with those jumps being scaled to the distance between them. That said, number lines do not start as a line. They start as a path. So let's go back to the beginning in kindergarten and take a look at how number lines are introduced. Number paths are the start of a number line, but rather than having a line with tick marks along it like a ruler, a number path has boxes that are each labeled with a number. Number paths are used in pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade, and support the counting sequence to 10 so students can visualize how numbers are related, building their number sense. According to the Erickson Institute, the number path has great advantages in helping children understand the order and relative positions of numbers. Eventually, this understanding of how numbers relate to each other is used to model addition and subtraction within 20. Number paths rarely go above 20, but have the advantage of allowing students to use their one-to-one correspondence in order to figure out what it means to add and subtract. For example, if I were to use my number path to find 6 plus 3, shown here in a number bond, I would start with blocks first, covering 6 numbers, then adding 3 more. Once I have it with the blocks, I would take the blocks away, finding the number 6 on the number path and counting 3 squares on. I land on 9, so 6 plus 3 must equal 9. In second grade, the number path shifts to a number line. This transition doesn't take place until second grade because unlike a number path that is counting each square, a number line measures how far from 0 a number is. This is more abstract for students and allows them to model much bigger numbers as they learn to add and subtract multi-digit numbers. Second grade is also when open number lines are introduced to children to help them visualize the mental math strategies needed to add and subtract big numbers. For example, if I were to subtract 45 minus 19 mentally, I might notice that 19 is close to 20 and say to myself, 45 minus 20 equals 25. But I took away too much, so I need to add 1 back, and I get 26. This strategy is called compensation and can be illustrated using a number line. Number lines make flexible thinking about numbers visible to others. The modeling of how far a number is from 0 with a line comes back again with fractions and decimals in 4th and 5th grade, and again in 6th grade with the introduction of negative integers. As you can see, number lines are one more tool that we use to help make mathematics thinking visible to students. They connect concepts through a common visual. They encourage the development of number sense. They model mathematical strategies that we do in our head and can be used as a tool to add and subtract. Next time, we'll take a look at 2 models that we use to help build an understanding of multiplication and division: the array and area models. Until next time, thank you for tuning in to this month's Math Moment.